let's check out what's going on today. Let's start with the Falcon. As you can see, the front end is off it. Remember we were discussing in the last video the rust in the corner where the owner had made his own patches up. Did a mighty fine job on bending these up. But, you know, they're very, very thin. They're almost like made out of a pop can. So that's all good. He asked me if we could fix that up, and we surely did. Took care of that. Just working on it now, you can see. Welded in there new. Welded in there new. Looking good. Couple holes where the door mirror would be. Taken care of. Still got to get her on the lift. Get the brace on this side underneath and get that quarter panel done. But we'll finish up this first. Deal with that. And then we'll take care of the other stuff. And then we're almost there. Then we'll go on to his list and his bucket over here. He's got a list over here. As you can see, I kept everything together, Jeff. It's all right there. Safer there, buddy, than in my office, trust me. So anyway, so that is what's happening at the Falcon. Now, the crew cab. I got the cab mounted on the frame today. Got the power booster on. These are for your inner fenders. These are your hood stops, bump stops, whatever you want to call them. Got those on. What else did I get done here today? Working away. Got the brake and clutch pedal in. Got the e-brake in there. Got the wiper motor in. I'm putting in the heater vents and stuff right now. Got the tranny pan cover on. Working on getting all that stuff done. Sean's working here around the Scout all day. So I'm working on that. Let's take a look. There's Carried Away. She's outside. She's outside. She's getting close. But anyway, now we're not on her anymore. So here we go. He's working on the Scout. Got it all cleaned up inside here. Owner decided to give it a quick paint job in here. He said don't get fussy. He said don't get too fussy. Just clean it up. Give it a fresh coat of paint. So Sean did his magic there and got that all ready to go. Yeah. He's got the doors ready to go too. There's the doors. Go. Looking good. Just get those all primed up now. And then we got the Camaro over here. You can see in the last video it was over on the other side that way. Anyway, Sean worked on that this morning. He got it all prepped for the black. Did he do the seam sealing? I don't know if he did or not. Yes, he did. Yeah, so he's got all the seam sealer done. If you're out there watching Brent, got all your seam sealer done. It's all prepped, ready to paint. So we're going to get this all sprayed up. Then we're going to start working on putting the subframe on it and the differential. Get this son of a bitch rolling on the ground. We got enough cars around here and carts. It's time to stop with these cart cars. Gotta get rid of them. Gotta get them out. So that's what's happening there. What else can I show you that's going on here today? I don't think there's much more to show you. We can scoot over here to Carried Away real quick. So he's got all the body in 400 and we get it to 600, we're ready for paint. But we're going to be, we got to block all the dash out here. All the dash and all the inner parts and stuff like that. So guess what's going to be, happening tomorrow? Yeah. Well, it's Wednesday. And if everything goes as planned and we keep working our asses off around here, we're going to be squirting the dash in Carried Away. That's right, we're going to be painting the dash tomorrow night for Carried Away back to its original colors that Cord had it when he first debuted it. So, I won't tell you what they were. If you know this car, you've seen pictures, you know what color it was inside. But it's going back those colors. So you're going to see the dash is two-tone now to be getting done tomorrow. And that's about it, yeah. So, just a short little catch me up, showing you what's happening. And that is all I think I got to show you today here at OTG. What is it? It's I think it's like 4:30, 4:45. I think I'll keep going till around 6 and call it a day. That's not bad. What else can I say? Rock Auto. Rock Auto. There you go. If anyone's watching, Terry, if you're out there watching, there's some more parts came up for your car. Rock Auto. All looking good. Something actually came from my Model A today. I don't know where it went. I paid $200 for it. I don't know what the hell they did with it. Look at this office. Holy shit, it's a shit show. Anyway, that's enough of that. Hey, it's always a damn good time at Old Town. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll catch you next time. I got to get to work. See ya.